In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect a domain in Cloudflare, and you can achieve all of this in just 5 minutes. So whether you're redirecting a site to a new domain or just tweaking your web settings, following along with this guide will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. First things first, open up your web browser and head on over to Cloudflare's website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your existing account. If you haven't linked your account yet, you can streamline the login process by simply clicking on Continue with Google. This option allows you to save time by using your Google credentials, making it a convenient way to access your Cloudflare account. Once you've done that, choose the appropriate Google account to proceed further. Once you're logged in, navigate to your domains dashboard. You'll find your list of domains, which can sometimes be a little confusing if you manage multiple websites, but don't worry, just select the domain you want to work on. This will bring you to the domain's main page where we'll perform the rest of our tasks. Next, look to your left-hand menu and find the section labelled Rules. Click on it. This is where you'll set up rules to modify how your web traffic is managed, and you'll be creating a new one to handle the redirect. On the same page, you'll see an option to create rule. Click on it to start the process. This is where the magic happens. Now that we're here, explore the templates provided and select the one labelled redirect to a different domain. This template is specifically designed for our task and it simplifies the whole setup. After choosing this option, click on Create a Rule. At this stage, you're ready to input specific details for the redirect. First, you'll need to type in your rule name. Don't overthink it, just name it something descriptive so you'll remember what the rule does when you're managing other projects. Following that, you'll type in your domain. This is the domain where any visitors will be directed from. Now specify the URL for the redirect. This is crucial. It's the final destination where you want your traffic to end up. Enter it correctly to ensure smooth redirection without any errors that might throw your users off. Finally, after double checking all of your inputs for accuracy, find the deploy button. Give it a click and your new rule will be up and running. And that's it, a simple redirect setup in Cloudflare within minutes, making sure your website visitors end up in the right place. If you followed along, congratulations, you've just learned how to effectively redirect a domain using Cloudflare. Remember to give the settings a bit of time to take effect, and you might also want to test the redirect by visiting the original domain. Thanks for watching and happy redirecting.